The movement of nylon block against the helix surface in a driven clutch is one kind of sliding friction. The general common failures of nylon block are shifting not smooth and less durability. You can see the reason for the failed nylon block is its material is not good enough, as below. 1. Friction coefficient too high. High sliding resistance. Shift not smooth. 2. Wear too much. Dimension changed. Shift ratio changed. Less durability. 3. Low heat resistance. Distortion. Shift ratio changed. Less durability. 4. Low compression strength. Distortion. Shift ratio changed. Less durability. 5. Too aggressive to aluminum-made helix. The surface of the helix worn seriously, and in turn, wears the nylon block more quickly. Less durability. More scratches on the helix surface. No scratches on the helix surface. Only an image of the mass transfer. The critical properties required for the self-lubricated bearing grade part must involve as below. Low friction coefficient. High wear resistance. High heat resistance. High mechanic strength. No attack on soft metal.